This is so fucked.
Update number 2. We are in the fucking jungle. The jungle, it is going everywhere. Oh shit, watch the printer cable. As you see, the water has not stopped. It's just hell in here. It is hell. Oh shit. Yeah, I can go water. We don't know. There's a waterfall in Kyle's room. It is up to my fucking ankles in here. It is up to my ankles.
Outrageous fun.
Outrageous! This shit is going crazy right now.
Go, get an uptake.
You ready? 3. Ah! Let's go.
Fucking do that. Yeah, your Gatorade bottle's going down.
We do have to gauge how intense it is. Dude.
It is fucking crazy in here. Welcome to the Amazon. Good night.